All right, let's get started on these brakes. 2010 Lexus RX350. So front brakes. All right, first let's take off the slide pin bolts. These are 14. Okay, take a pry bar and pry out the caliper. Okay, now we're gonna compress the piston. These are dual piston. All right, now you could hang it out the way here. All right, now we're gonna get the bracket bolts, 17. Okay, now we can zip them out. All right, now the rotor should come out. If it doesn't come out easily, you can hit it with a hammer here or on top. All right, now we're gonna wire brush the hub here. Put a bit of anti-seize on the hub face. All right, now we're gonna put on the new rotor. So make sure you compare your new rotor with the old one to make sure it's the same size. Okay, we're just gonna hold it with one lug nut. So now with the bracket, we're gonna grease both guide pins, clean them up and grease them. Take off the pads. Oh yeah, and make sure you save those springs here. And then we're gonna clean the bracket where the pads sit. We're gonna take off these old clips and clean them with a wire brush and a file. So I'll bring you guys back when it's all clean and greased up. All right, it should look like this when you're done. Just clean until you've exposed some metal on both sides. Now we're gonna put the clips and some grease. All right, when you're done, it should look like this. The new clips with some grease, anti-seize under it. And same thing for this side. First, we're gonna put the pads on the bracket and then put the bracket on the knuckle. All right, so now the pads are on the bracket, ready to be put on the knuckle. All right, so in the brake pad kit, they come with the screamers that you have to attach. So they come with the screamers that you have to put on the brake pads, but I will choose not to put them since usually the brake pads make noise even before the screamer even touches the rotor. So I will choose not to put them. And also for the new springs, I will be putting the OEM ones because the aftermarket ones tend to not fit as well. So we're just gonna stick with the OEM ones. Okay, now we're gonna tighten them with the wrench. All right, so I like to put just a bit more anti-seize on the back of the pads here. Okay, now we're gonna put our springs. So they go in the hole on top of the brake pads here. So these holes here. Okay, we're all done. Now we're just gonna put the caliper back on. Okay, now snug them up with the wrench. So we're just gonna go hand tight on these. You don't need to go super tight. Okay, all right, that's it, we're all done. Make sure everything's tight. Now put back the wheel and don't forget to take off your lug nut here. Okay, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope this video helped you out. And I will leave a link in the video description for parts and the tools I used in this video. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace.